our host for next 40.
Fun times. Gartos, you're the top winner with 4,202 euro win. Great job. Bets open now. Otherwise, if I do not make any plans for the day, I will just sit around at home in my bed, look at the phone, and bets are closed. And then when I get too depressed, then I get out of bed and start the day on the L. But I'm trying to change these things around. By the way, top slot offers you crazy time and 4 times multiplier. Now what I try to do, first thing in the morning, I exercise just a little bit, get the blood pumping, you know? Crazy time. Oh, you ain't seen nothing yet. Dum bum. Baby, you ain't seen nothing yet. Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Crazy Time. Oh, you're in for a treat now. 64 segments in this beautiful wheel, and 3 flappers. Not 1, not 2, but 3 of them. And a top slot multiplier, 4x, increasing every single. All right, Matt.
And Yogi is a tough one, so nice job in betting time. What do you think of Audi? I kind of don't think about it. I don't know. It's a car. Excuse me. Enjoy. It's a car. Yeah, well, thank you. So, thanks a lot. How are you? Crazy time on 5x is what Tops list shows. Is that the best car? I don't think that there is a best or worst. Like, that is a question of the taste, I believe, man. Like, for me, no. Because I never have had one. Wait, you see what I see? There is a crazy time. And guess what? What is on the top slot? What is on the top slot? Crazy time in 5x. Listen. Well, look at that. Well, that is perfect first time for a crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. Let's add up that 5x multiplier. Yeah, let's do that. And let's find out what you're going to have here. Listen. Well, it needs to be good. It needs to be good because, come on, 5x multipliers added up. Green, blue, or yellow, those are the options you can choose from. 3 flappers, which will have a highest multiplier. Trust your intuition, I don't know, 6 tenths, whatever you want to trust in, but like choose the right one. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's announce that the highest multiplier of this time is going to be 1000x. Let's go for it. Let's go for it, ladies and gentlemen. Pretty please. Some 1000x in the house. Some double maybe. Oh, what we are having here? Okay, we are having 250x on green and yellow and 100x on the blue one. Yes. Hello there. How are you? My name is Ilyana. I'm going to be your host for the next 40 minutes. My love is here. No, Tom already went away. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, hi there. My name is Ilyana. I'm going to be your host for the next 40 minutes, third session of ours. Crazy time in 20x. Listen, can we manage that? Can we have that? We had one today. It's Crazy time in 5x as a match. Can we get 20x? Okay. Stop. It's a mirage, or I'm saying it correct? Am I seeing it correct, guys? I don't know what to say even. Well, hello? It's crazy time with a top slot multiplier, 20x, yes. Welcome back, Ileana, exactly. Thank you for welcoming me back. Listen. Linda, listen. Which flapper, ladies and gentlemen, will have a highest one? How do you think? Green, blue, or yellow? Oh boy. Well, we are having a lovely crazy time matches today, isn't it, sir? I don't know. Woo. I'm excited. 2000x is the highest one. Let's go. Let's do this, guys. 2000x. No, simple as that. No, come on. We can have it, right? We can get it. Or maybe double. Nah.
550 through Brock. Penguins are saying so lame. Heard it? What do you mean, Mr. Beautiful? But Mr. Beautiful, it's good to see you out here again. But what's going on so lame? I mean, results could have been better. We had 25x, 40x, and 25x. So a little bit of a for that blue flapper with the double, but 40x. So last two crazy times, 25x, 40x, 25x, 20x, 25x, 15x. Okay. 5 with a 2x now. Also 15x, 40x, 25x. So that's been the last couple of them that we have had. Hey, Relic, what's up? Oh, Relic, you came in out of town. Look at how many crazy times are going. Yes, indeed. We're back. Come on, y'all. Finally, let's make a nice and tasty loaf of bread. Am I dreaming, everybody? Are you all dreaming? I'm checking. Dream check. Green check. Not as far as I can tell. Well, anyways, we are back, everybody. Penguins going first. Mr. Beautiful said this once in the blue moon, man. Green, blue, yellow flapper. Come on. Let's get some doubles. Let's get the 100Xs. Come on. I believe in you, Penguins. Oh, yeah? Well, okay, Penguins. That is quite evenly split between the blue and yellow flapper. 34% for blue, 30% for yellow. And now, setting all off, let's go see where we could end up. $25X for green flapper, 15X for the blue flapper. Double, however, on yellow this time. Let's go again. Come on, yellow flapper. You can do this. Calling out to all my sun power. No yellow because it's the color of the sun. 400X, ladies and gentlemen. That is 400X on the yellow flapper.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.